Welcome to English class 9th standard. Comet poem. This is the memory poem. Let us see what is a comet. The comet is a story that revolves around the revelation of a comet whose discovery took place by Manoj Dutta. He is an ambitious yet amateur astronomer who discovers a comet. The name of his telescope was Divya Chakshu, whose meaning is divine eye. He spends most of his time with his telescope. What do you mean by comet? The comet depicts the movement and impacts of a comet on earthly life in a charming poetic style. He thinks that the spectacle of watching a full bright comet is mesmerizing and incomparable with any other on the earth. He compares it with the speed of a cheetah and finds it faster than him. Now, let us see the summary of the poem. Name of the author: Norman Littlefield was an American poet born in Maryland, USA. Most of his works focused on life and nature. His poems are simple but deep in thought and thought provoke the readers to observe the ideas beyond his usual. Comet means an icy small solar body which, when passing close to the sun, warms and begins to release gases that are seen on rare occasions from Earth as a bright line in the sky. Comet is a noun, a celestial body that travels around the sun, consists of a solid frozen nucleus, part which on approaching the sun forms a gaseous luminous coma and a long luminous tail. Melt. Melt means verb, make or become liquefied by heating. Vapor. Noun. A substance diffused or suspended in the air, especially or normally liquid or solid. Cheetah is a noun. A large cat that lives in North and East Africa and a few localities in Iran, fastest mammal on the land. The cheetah can reach speeds of 113 kilometers per hour. Trail. Trail. A path often made or used for a particular purpose. Atmosphere. Atmosphere. Noun. The envelope of gases surrounding the Earth or another planet. Shock wave is a noun. A widespread feeling of shock caused by an unexpected event. Quake. A sudden violent movement of the Earth's surface, sometimes causing great damage. Short form of earthquake. Now, let us see the poem. Rampaging through the heaven. Rampaging through the heavens, never stopping day or night, a spectacle of rampaging means going through an area, making a lot of noise and causing damage, spectacle, an unusual or unexpected event or situation that attracts attention, interest. Rampaging through the heavens. Look at the picture. Comet, never stopping day or night. A spectacle of a lifetime, comet in full flight. Faster than a cheetah, with a tail that's miles long, bigger than a mountain, so powerful and strong. சிறுத்தை புலியிலும் சிறிய வேகத்தில் மைல்கள் நீளமுடைய வாளுடனே ஒரு மலையிலும் மிக பெரிய மிக ஆற்றலுடன் மிக வலிமையுடனே இருக்கும். Look at the cheetah. Faster than a cheetah. Comparing the mountains, bigger than a mountain. Look at the tail of a cheetah, miles long. So powerful and strong. The outer ice is melting, causing vapor from the force, and leaves a trail behind it as it travels on its course. புறம்பே பனிக்கட்டி உருகின்றதே, திசையினின்று நிறுத்தி வலையை விளைவித்த பாதை ஒன்றை பின்னே விட்டுவிட்டு பயணித்ததே அது அதன் வழித்தடத்திலே. பூமியின் வெகு அருகிலே ஒன்று வருமெனில் வானமண்டலமென அதிர்ந்திடுமே. அதிர்வலைகள் புவியை வந்தடைந்ததால் நிலத்தில் பூகம்பத்தை விளைவிக்குமே. The outer ice is melting. Look at this picture, center, causing vapor from the force and leaves a trail behind it as it travels on its course. There's a forest, see how the journey is going on. If one should come too close to earth, the other will shake, with shock waves reaching to the ground, causing the land to quake. Scientists say the chemicals in the dust they leave behind could have started life on earth, which resulted in mankind. விஞ்ஞானிகள் கூறுவர், வேதிப்பொருட்களை மாசுடன் அவை தம் பின்னே விட்டு செல்லுமே. புவி மீது அதில் உயிரிகள் உண்டாயிருக்கலாம், அதுவே மனித இனமாய் ஆகியிருக்கலாமே. Scientists say the chemicals, reaction, வேதியியல், in the dust they leave behind could have started the life on earth. Look at the word. I cannot say if this is true. I do not have the right, but I know no better spectacle than a comet in full flight. இது உண்மையா என நான் கூற முடியாது, அந்த உரிமை எனக்கு இல்லையே. ஆனால் நல்லதொரு காட்சியினை அறியேன் நான், ஒரு வால் நட்சத்திரை விட முழு வால் உலாவிலே. See, I cannot say if this is true. Look at the picture. I do not have the right. I know no better spectacle than a comet in full. Which word could you replace rampaging? Speeding is the word. We can replace rampaging. Faster than a cheetah with a tail that's miles long. Why is the comet compared to cheetah? The comet is compared to cheetah because of its speed. Whose tail is compared here? The comet's tail is compared here. With shock wave reaching to the ground, causing the land to shake. What is reaching to the ground? The comet is reaching to the ground. What is causing the land to quake? The shock wave is causing the land to quake. In the dust they leave behind could have started life on earth, which resulted in mankind. What does the word they refer to? The word they refers to the comets. According to scientists, how did life start on earth? According to the scientists, the dust of comet started life. But I know no better spectacle than a comet in full flight. Who does I refer to? I refers to poet. What is the best spectacle mentioned in the above lines? The flight of the comet is a spectacle. Mention the rhyme scheme of the stanza. This is very important. If one should come too close to earth, difference of pronunciation, earth, A. The atmosphere will shake, B. With shock wave reaching the ground, C. Causing the land to quack, B. Shake and quack is B. Rhyming words. Rhyming scheme is A, B, C, B. Thank you for listening. You must learn this poem mugging up. That means memorize the poem. I'll give you easy way to memorize with cinema song. The poem describes conclusion assignment. A moving comet which speeds through the heavens and never takes a break by day or night. Summing up. When a comet is full flight, it gives a spectacular scene which can never be compared to anything else for a lifetime. The comet is compared to a cheetah for its speed and a mountain as it is powerful and strong. The outer ice melts which causes a vapor from the force and leaves behind a trail as it travels on its way. If it comes very close to the atmosphere, it causes a shake which in turn produces a shock wave that reaches the Earth's surface. According to the scientists, the comets leave behind chemicals in the form of dust which resulted in the emerging life on Earth and mankind came into existence. But the poet is not sure whether this spell is true or not, but he knows for sure that whatever the truth may be, the sight of comet in full flight is the best spectacular. All the best for your future. Now learn poem question answer as well as memorize the poem.